Let's create the animation you see on the screen together. Let's get started. First, we create a new composition by selecting Create New Composition. I'll name the composition Tutorial. For the resolution, I'll use Full HD, and for a smoother animation, I'll set the frame rate to 60 frames per second. Once everything is ready, click OK. Now let's type some text on the screen. Using the Align panel, we place the text in the center. Then we duplicate it and enter our second line of text as well. After that, we bring both text layers to the center of the screen. So far, everything looks good. Now let's give the top text a modern and dynamic animation. I'm going to use some of my favorite settings here, and I think you'll really like the result. If you follow the same steps, your animation will look very clean and professional. To see the frame positions more clearly, let's make the timeline a little larger. We should also pay close attention to the graph editor settings because this is where the animation really starts to feel smooth and polished. Next, we separate the position property. This makes it much easier to fine-tune the motion inside the graph editor. We'll carefully animate both text layers. These steps can take a little time, but these small details make a big difference in the final result. I also tried to give each text layer a slightly different animation to make the design feel more interesting. Now let's go to Effect Controls and add the Transform effect. This helps us use the skew property to make the design look more stylish and visually appealing. In many cases, skew settings can add a very nice touch to the overall look. Next, it's time to add a shadow effect. This is a style that often works really well, especially for content made for stock platforms. And that's it, our animation is now complete. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe to the channel